Dear children, welcome to Standard 4 Subject GK. Today we are going to learn infos on volcanoes. The Romans believed that Vulcan, their fire god, built a great fire in his forge, deep inside the earth. Volcanoes got their name from him. Volcanoes, how they got the name? Their fire god built a great fire in his forge, deep inside the earth. Imagine the earth's surface with a huge opening. A volcano is such an opening from which burning gas, boiling rocks and ash are thrown out. Now you will wonder how a volcano occurs. The earth's surface is made of huge slabs called tectonic plates. Whenever the plates are disturbed, there is movement. These craters, mountains, volcanoes, earthquake, etc. This is how this creates the volcanoes. Whenever the plates are disturbed, there is movement. This creates mountains, volcanoes, earthquakes, etc. Some volcanoes form gently sloping mountains with cracks or fissures. The hot liquid rock that flows out through these fissures is called lava. What is lava? The hot liquid rock that flows out through these fissures is called lava. Some volcanoes form dangerous cone-shaped mountains with steep sides. The mountains is made of layers or ash and lava. There is a saucer-shaped hollow at the top called a crater. What is crater? There is a saucer-shaped hollow at the top called a crater. Sometimes there may be even be a lake of red hot rock in the crater. Some volcanoes explode or spread, causing severe damage. There are three kinds of volcanoes. Three kinds of volcanoes are there. Active volcano. These volcanoes are scary as they can erupt anytime. The volcano Venus destroyed the city of Bombay in 79 AD. In 1883, another volcano called Krakatoa in Indonesia caused a tidal wave that killed 36,000 people and blew away half the island. There are just some of the major active volcanoes: Etna, Italy; Sicily; Stromboli, Italy; Klyuchkoye, Siberia; Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Volcanoes can even erupt from the bottom of the sea. In 1963, in the south of Iceland, an island called Sturse was created by a volcano. Around the Pacific Ocean, there is a chain of volcanoes called the Ring of Fire. Dormant volcano. A volcano that has been quiet for more than 100 years is called a dormant volcano. You can never trust a dormant volcano. It can suddenly erupt any time. Examples for dormant volcanoes are Cambe Flageri in Italy and Mount Baker in Washington, D.C., USA. Next, extinct volcano. An extinct volcano has no volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is a good example. I hope all of you understood this volcanoes. Then you have to read the lesson and study, understand. There is no exercises this lesson. You have to read and study. Okay, this is homework. Then okay, thank you children.